Yeah, he's coming over here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to KRW Live on Patrol. We're over here off of Brook and Madison. It's a 901T vehicle versus semi-truck, a dump truck. It's a dump truck right there. Apparently it struck the dump truck and it ended up in this it's a reservoir where the water runs from the streets. It ended up in this reservoir. As you can see, you can't really see very good, but the airbags are deployed. I believe the people, our witness, I think the people are out the vehicle. Hopefully they're okay. But it went through the fence right there when it struck the semi, and it landed right there. The hood's up. It's kind of dark, but it appears the vehicle is pretty, like airbags deployed on the inside, the driver's side, and the side rear also, and the hood's popped up. Extensive front end damage. Like I said, I believe the people are out of it. There's an ambulance right there. Hit on the side. Apparently they got hit on the driver's side. That's what O says. Do you hear anything about the extent of injuries or anything like that? Not sure on the extent of injuries. But yeah, it's gonna get a quick shot of this. Came over scanners, a 901T vehicle versus semi. It's over here in southeast Bakersfield off of White Lane in Madison. We're on Madison and Brooks. Madison and Brook Street. Yeah, this place is known for all these collisions. Before I leave, I'm gonna get a shot of that dump truck. Give you guys a shot of it. We'll get a few more minutes shot of this, and then I'm gonna get a shot of the dump truck. Anyway, this vehicle's down in this reservoir for the stuff that drains from the sidewalk from the rain, stuff like that. It's in this reservoir. Apparently, somebody's in this ambulance. So prayers to this person. Hitting a semi is not a good look. So prayers to this person. This vehicle's down in this ravine. 4-door. It's got to get towed out. But we're gonna take a walk around. We're gonna look at this semi truck, dump truck. It's KRW Live on Patrol. Got another one. I'm not sure on the injuries of this subject. They haven't broadcasted on any type of injuries. Again, we're at Brook and Madison Street, southeast Bakersfield, over here by the airport. 901T expanded. Vehicle versus semi-truck. Hey, that fence is open, dog.
I got it right from that side.
You're welcome, Joe.
Hey.
What was that? Huh? I'm gonna get a shot of this right here. Oh, is that what happened? There's not a stop sign right there, right? There's more of this is a different angle of this vehicle, guys. Shooting through this chain link fence. As you can see, it's pretty. It's down there in that reservoir. More than likely, it's totaled. Let's get a shot of this this dump truck. What's up?
The truck was going northbound and the car pulled out of a stop sign.
Okay, it's a stop sign right here. Apparently, from a witness, I witnessed the truck was going northbound and his vehicle was coming westbound to the stop sign. Apparently, the vehicle didn't stop, so it struck the dump truck and proceeded southbound. Funny how it went southbound, which I don't get how it's going to go southbound to get struck. Right, that doesn't make any sense. So I got to question that one. That doesn't make sense. We're gonna get a shot of this dump truck for you guys. This is KRW Live on Patrol. Live out of Bakersfield, California. Doing the damn thing. Raw and cut. So get these kids out of the camera. Don't need them over. It's a vehicle right here also. So this vehicle been struck also. So it's two vehicles involved in this collision. Two vehicles involved in this collision. So I don't know what happened on this. Doesn't make any sense, but I don't have no idea what happened. Okay, this is the dump truck right here. That's a pretty heavy dump truck, I guarantee you. It's got a lot of weight coming on that. So apparently there's 2 vehicles involved. Yeah, so I don't have you in. I don't have you in here. I don't have you in here. You're fine.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm not gonna do that. So this is the dump truck, guys. Apparently it's Alba Trucking Incorporated out of Bakersfield, California. So like a Volvo semi. PD's on the scene getting information. I'm gonna step over here and get a shot from this angle. It looks like everybody's okay. Like I said, this vehicle right here is a Jeep. It was all the officers interviewing that person. She got some rear bumper damage right here. So I don't know how this got involved with the collision. This makes no sense.
What's your, how do they see the KW?
Let's see. Oh, this car. Oh, I'm not on live. No, sorry.
What?
I'm not live.
No, but she just wanted to get your shot.
Just 1 second, folks. Here we have a person want to take a look at it on YouTube. This came across a 901T expanded vehicle into semi. There's actually multiple vehicles involved on this. BPD is out doing an investigation. Several traffic officers on scene. I'm not sure on the extent of injuries. Hopefully everybody's okay. Prayers out to these people. As you can see the damage on them. This bumper is tore off. So BPD out doing the job, good job as they always do. And some people will be seeing the insurance the next couple of days. Get the car in here to get fixed. That's a Jeep Cherokee. So nice. Those are nice cars too. Go to traffic officers. Interviewing the truck driver right here. This is the truck driver, guys. So I'm not sure on the extent of injuries of the person in the ambulance. I'm not sure. I'm not positive. Apparently, that's the person that exited the other vehicle that was in the reservoir. This is at Madison and Brook Street, Southeast Bakersfield. This is KRW live on patrol. Good to see you guys again. Unfortunately, there's another collision. I know you guys are tired of seeing collisions, but it's a fact of life out here, man. On these streets, lots of collisions, man. It's crazy how many collisions we get out here. It's insane. It just doesn't make sense. It's Alba Construction. They're looking for damage on the front end. How much damage? That's a heavy duty semi right there. So, but this car right here, this bumper's got to be replaced. Possible rear end issues on the rear end also. It's a nice Jeep too. Yeah, so prayers out to these people. Man, I just hate seeing so many collisions here in Bakersfield. It's just unreal. And it's just a dime a dozen, man. Dime a dozen. Apparently the ambulance has left transporting the one victim. Like I said, I'm not sure on the extent of injuries. For some reason they didn't say it. Go to the traffic guys. This one girl, she's She's pretty good. Both of those girls are pretty good, actually. Do a good job on these investigations. So this is a semi versus two vehicles over here, Madison and Brooks. So getting some intel on what's going on over here. I have my friends getting some intel. They're trying to figure out which car hit it first. You see this got tagged on the bumper. So I don't even know how to explain this accident. I don't get it.
Yeah, just one for the one in the ditch.
Again, this is a 901T expanded at Madison and Brook, involving two vehicles. One vehicle with, I'll say, medium damage. The other vehicle's probably totaled down in that ditch. I'm gonna walk over there and get in a shot of that, or I'm gonna be exiting here pretty quick. The streets of Bakersfield so unsafe, man. It's very deadly out here, man. Driving on these streets is so unsafe. Let's see if we can find a place where this vehicle went into this ditch or this reservoir. It's over here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. See, we're at Brook and Madison. There we go. This is where we are. 3700 block of Madison. See, there's a lot of debris on the roadway right here. So I don't get it. And apparently this is where it went into the into that ditch, to this fence right here. Or tore the fence down. So officer interviewing them over there. I don't want to get in their interview. I don't want to get in the middle of their investigation. So I'm gonna go back over here and get one last shot. Fire is leaving the scene. As BPD will continue to do their investigation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a parting shot real quick and get out of here. Like I say, it's happened so much. Just, hopefully everybody's okay. Again, that vehicle's down there in that ditch.